New day, new problem. Now on first listen, it might sound like not, but if the engine RPMs are raised, the sound goes away. It's only at idle. So I'm a tad lost with that one. After making that video, I went to go post it onto Reddit, and people were surprisingly pretty helpful in the r/Cruze forum. The only issue I had was that I got over-diagnosed on every accessory on the car. So someone said it might be the belt tensioner, someone said it might be the alternator, someone said it might be the AC compressor, another person said it could be the power steering pump. So although in the first few comments on Reddit they definitely helped me in the right direction almost immediately. When you then get diagnosed with everything from phasers to engine oil and everything else, and they're just going down the entire list of what it possibly could be, and it's kind of funny, however, it ended up just being my water pump. Distance is required.
Okay.
So it's pretty late, the wife works in the morning, but it appears we have located the culprit. I put a wrench in here to check the tightness on the bolts. That one's nice and tight. That one's tight, but the one on the bottom, I think that was my major issue right there. It's fixed.
Yay!
And I'm not saying I'm like not happy that someone guided me towards the right direction. It's just kind of funny that after enough time, every component that can make noise, if going out or if loose, got diagnosed in that comment thread. And it almost became less helpful for anyone that finds that video. Not that anyone's looking for this video, but if everyone says everything that could be possibly wrong with the engine, you might as well just have a check engine light that says something on the engine. And it could legitimately be all of those things, but if you have a consistent noise with the engine that goes away when the engine comes up from idle to a rev, well, then everyone can diagnose anything that's on the engine. And no one's really wrong, but it's just interesting that you technically get a diagnosis on every part of the car.